Hello children, welcome you all to this channel. This is Itisri and you are watching the channel Learning with Itisri. Today, here is an amazing topic for you. So before going to the topic, just look at the picture. What do you see? Just look, just mark. Some players are playing football. The typical thing is that each player has only one leg. Still they are playing with the help of sticks, isn't it? How can they play without having two legs? Because they have strong willpower and determination, courage and self-reliance. So today we will read a similar topic, a lesson about a young girl of 19, C.N. Janki, who was struck by polio in her childhood. Still, she was able to swim the English Channel. So, let's read the topic. Let's read the text. What is that? The topic is the swimmer who does not need her legs. And that is the second chapter of class 9 English book, that is Skill of Communicative English. Okay, so let's read the text. Imagine swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in a similar fashion. Unbelievable, isn't it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio, C.N. Janki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. It was in 1987 that Janki was struck by polio. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. So, she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, and they replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. The swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. So, only two paragraphs we will discuss today. So, before discussion, let's see some words and its meanings. Notes and glossary. English Channel, the narrow sea passage that separates England and France. Polio, an infectious disease of the spine which causes an inability to move certain muscles. Handicapped, here having the physical disability of not being able to walk. दिव्यांग लोक जहाँ कहुए चलवाक जे सक्षम नुहे ठीक सीएन जानकी जड़े दिव्यांग बालिका थिला जार कि गोड़ पोलियो रे अपंग हो जाइथिला किंतु से स्विमिंग करिया सक्षम हो पारथिला एट ए स्ट्रेच विदाउट स्टॉपिंग माने एकादिक्रमे मोटे न टिके कि कोनोसी काम करिबा. So children, let's discuss the first paragraph of the topic, and the topic is the swimmer who does not need her legs, isn't it? So what is the first paragraph about? It is about a young girl of 19, C.N. Janki, and she was a handicapped girl. Her legs became useless because of polio. In her childhood, she was struck by polio. So now let's discuss the second paragraph. What is the second paragraph about? It is about her childhood. That in her childhood she got an idea to swim the English Channel. So what did she do then? She conveyed her idea to the English Channel Swimming Association, isn't it? For details. And the English Channel Swimming Association replied her letter, and they set two conditions. What are the two conditions? That the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. अर्थात जे स्विमर से अति कम रे 10 घंटा कंटिन्यूअसली पानी रे पहरी पारुथिबो. And the second, what was the second condition? The second condition was the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. जे स्विमर हेथिबो से मैराथन स्विमिंग करि पारुथिबो. मैराथन स्विमिंग कहले a group of swimmer who swims. Like a group of swimmer who swim, that is, he or she, the swimmer, should be able to swim in the high seas. बहुत गभीर समुद्र माने बहुत बड़ बड़ ढेउ भी आसुथिबो से समुद्र रे से पहरी पारुथिबो कंटिन्यूअसली फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स. बहुत समय धरि के पहरी पारुथिबो एट ए स्ट्रेच, अर्थात विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, आदौ न टिकिकरी बहुत समय धरिकरी एकाधिक्रमे घंटा घंटा धरिकी पहरी पारुथिबो. दैट इज मैराथन swimming. So this much for today. So students, now some comprehension questions. Okay. Question number 1. What was the name of the girl? Answer. The name of the girl was C.N. Janaki. Question number 2. Her legs were useless by days in days. Her answer. Her legs were useless by polio in 1987. Question number 3. When did she get the idea to swim the English Channel? Answer. In her childhood, she got the idea to swim the English Channel. Question number 4. What did she plan to do then? Answer. She conveyed her idea to the English Channel Swimming Association. And question number 5. What did they reply? Answer. They set 2 conditions. The first one, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. And the second one, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That is, he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. So, this much for this session. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.